おほおガラスバンド利益取れました。すごく。
Greetings to everyone on my daily disaster news channel. The information in the video shows an incident on the 18th of September 2022 in Kyushu, Japan. Typhoon Nanmadol bore down on Japan's southernmost main island of Kyushu. The Japanese Meteorological Agency warns of gales and high waves like never experienced before. The 14th typhoon of the season, classified as a super typhoon by the US Navy Joint Typhoon Warning Center, could bring record rainfall. The Japanese Meteorological Agency said about warning of the risk of overflowing rivers and landslides. Southern Kyushu could receive 500 millimeters of rain and wind gusts of up to 250 kilometers per hour, while the central Tokai region could get 300 millimeters of rain. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to keep abreast of the most important changes on the planet.